Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vitamin C serum at home with lemon. First, understand that lemon juice is very acidic, with a pH between 2 and 3. Applying it directly to your skin can cause irritation, photosensitivity, and even chemical burns. This homemade serum also lacks stability, meaning its vitamin C content degrades quickly. Always perform a patch test before full application. To begin, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of distilled water. Distilled water helps dilute the acidity. Also, have a small, dark glass dropper bottle ready for storage, as this protects the serum from light. A small funnel can make transferring the liquid easier. Now, let's mix your serum. In a clean, small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of distilled water. Stir gently for about 30 seconds to ensure they are thoroughly mixed. This dilution is crucial for reducing the lemon's acidity. Carefully pour the mixture into your dark glass dropper bottle, sealing it tightly. For best results and safety, store your homemade vitamin C serum in the refrigerator. It's best to use it within 2 to 3 days, as its potency diminishes quickly. Apply a very small amount, perhaps 2 to 3 drops, to clean skin at night. Remember, lemon juice increases sun sensitivity, so always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher during the day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.